Hi. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your name?
My name's Anna.
Nice to meet you, Anna. How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from the USA.
What do you do for work?
I'm a teacher.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Are you tall?
No, I'm actually short.
Feeling tired?
A little bit.
Hungry?
Not right now.
Are you busy at the moment?
Yes, I'm a bit busy.
What's your email address?
It's anna@gmail.com.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What other languages can you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Do you have a passport?
Yes, I do.
What's your nationality?
I'm American.
Are you home right now?
Yes, I am.
What day is it today?
It's Monday.
How's the weather?
It's sunny.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your dad's name?
His name is John.
What does your mom do?
She works as a nurse.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I do.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I have two grandmothers.
Do you visit your family often?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you love your family?
Very much.
Are your parents kind?
Yes, they are.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I do.
Who's your best friend?
Lisa is my best friend.
Where does she live?
She lives in my neighborhood.
Do you hang out together?
Yes, mostly on Saturdays.
Do you talk to your friends daily?
Not every day, but quite often.
Do they speak English?
Some of them do.
Do you enjoy meeting new people?
Yes, I like it.
Is your family large?
Yes, it is.
Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I do.
Are your siblings in school?
Yes, they are.
Do you have cousins?
Yes, I have many.
Is your family important to you?
Very important.
What's your morning routine like?
I brush my teeth and take a shower.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually bread and eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What time does your work start?
At 9 a.m.
And when do you finish?
At 5 p.m.
Do you have lunch at home?
No, I eat at work.
What do you do after work?
I relax and watch some TV.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I do.
Do you shower at night?
Yes, before I go to bed.
What time do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m.
Do you clean your house?
Yes, on weekends.
What time do you wake up on weekends?
Around 8 a.m.
Do you work on Saturdays?
No, I don't.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes, twice a week.
What's your Sunday routine?
I relax and visit my family.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, on Saturdays.